Oh my god. Ah! This is so weird. Oh my god.
It is kind of weird.
Oh my god. Oh my god. This is
Somebody
how
told her.
This is how I am every time. Oh my god. Oh my god. What is up? Thank you so much for coming back to my channel for another video, guys. If you are new, welcome. My name is Darlene Marie and I'm so glad to have you guys here. So today, guys, I have something exciting happening. So I am going to make some changes to my hair today, like within the next 5 minutes. Oh my god, I'm so excited. I have been wanting to go brunette for like a couple months now. I've been saying it for a while, but I just didn't think I'd actually do it. But today, guys, we're gonna do it. And yeah, if I'm being really honest with you guys, if you are thinking about going blonde or balayage or highlights, take into account all the things, like the cost, just everything, because it is extremely hard to maintain. And I kind of had let my hair go for a little while because it was just so hard to maintain. My hairstylist is literally on the other side of town from me, so it was just kind of hard to get out here and stuff. But yeah, just if you want to go blonde, I love it. I think it's so gorgeous, but just really think about if it's something that you want to do. But yeah, I mean, I thought about it for a long time and I obviously made the decision to do it. I don't regret it. I love the blonde, but I'm just ready to get back to my roots, literally. So I'll see you guys next at the salon. Hey guys, so this is Linda. This is my
Hey guys.
I'm sure if y'all saw my very first hair video, you were in it. And I think you had purple hair too. Did you have purple hair?
Yeah, I think I did.
Oh my god, I'm gonna insert a little clip.
Oh my god. It's going. It's just a rough cut right now. I want to dry it in there.
Dude, that was my first video that got that the views were just going higher and higher and higher. I think it has 2,000 views, and it was a whatever video, you know? Just a random vlog.
Wow.
I know.
That is pretty cool.
But Linda's been doing my hair for 2 years now. It's literally been 2 years.
Yeah.
Because I think actually when I changed my hair that came to you the first time, I think it actually was in August or September or something.
So it's going to be.
Yeah.
2 years.
Wow.
That's crazy.
I know.
On all the colors you've been those 2 years.
I know.
Oh my god.
It begins.
And it begins. Fall hair.
I know.
I give in to the lesser fight. My body aches to be satisfied. My weakness comes and goes. My weakness comes and goes. I'm reaching out for the easy high. Please fortify this strength of mine. My weakness comes and goes. My weakness comes and goes. lesser.
Oh my god. This is so weird. Oh my
It is
god.
kind of weird seeing you.
Right?
Dark
It's
color.
weird.
I can't wait till it's how.
I know, I
see
can't
it
wait to
on
see
this.
it dry. Oh my god. Oh my god. I don't know why I'm freaking out. I think
It's
like,
okay.
oh my god.
Take it easy. You've been blonde.
I know.
You've been blonde for I don't know how long now.
Dude.
What?
Nothing, like, it's dark.
But that's
Yeah.
natural.
No, I
Oh,
know,
yeah.
but like I'm not used to this.
To the dark.
No,
yeah.
it's what I want. Don't feel bad. Like
No,
don't
I'm
freak.
sorry.
No, I'm just like,
No,
oh my god.
no, it's gonna lighten up.
Yeah.
You still have the lighter parts.
Yeah.
They're not dark. It just
Mhm.
looks. I like it.
I like it too. I mean, even though
I
it's
haven't
wet.
seen you brunette in a very long time, but I
And
like
yeah, and oh my
it.
god.
I like the way your lipsticks look with your hair dark.
So do I. So do I. That's one thing
look
that
more
keeps.
Snow White.
Yeah, that's one thing that keeps bothering me is my lips colors don't look the same as they did. Like
They
like
don't
this is
stand
my
out.
favorite one, and I feel like with the blonde it did not.
Like pop.
Yeah. It.
Yeah, look at it
Mhm,
already.
mhm.
Whatever's left of it, and it
Yeah,
still looks
I know.
cute. Yeah.
To me, my hair is a really big deal. Like
No,
I'm
it's
so
okay.
attached to
I'm
it.
already used to it. You do this every
I
time.
know.
No matter what color.
I know. I always overreact.
Yeah. All my clients are escandalosas.
Really?
Yeah.
You're like.
I have like two
Not me.
types.
I know. Like besides Jennifer, she's like okay.
I have two types of clients.
What are
Yeah.
they?
So y'all are in here.
Watch when Jennifer she's gonna be like, okay, cool.
Yeah.
See you next time.
So I have the Jennifers and I have the Darlene's. Literally.
That is hilarious. Oh
At least
my
it's
god.
fun.
I am so shook right now. I mean, I know like you can't see any of the light parts because it's wet, but still, like,
Yeah, I can kind of see it.
this is so crazy. This is like the old me is coming to life.
Back.
Yeah.
My body aches to be satisfied. My weakness comes and goes. My weakness comes and goes. I'm reaching out for the easy high. Please fortify this strength of mine. My weakness comes and goes. My weakness comes and
This way, right?
Yeah. Oh my god. Oh my god. This is, how
Somebody
I
told
am,
her.
this is how I am every time. Oh my god. Oh my god. I love it.
Let me see.
Linda. Oh my god. I'm like shooting bricks right now.
Yeah,
like
I know.
silently.
Silently.
No, you're
Well, I
not.
hope not out loud, girl.
Oh my
Aw.
god.
Yo, Darlene is back.
I'm so dramatic. People are gonna be like,
Brunettes
"What the
have
hell?"
more fun.
Yeah. Oh my god. Oh my god. This is insane, you guys. This is literally crazy.
I think Alex,
She's like, I'm not coming in today.
her curling iron almost caught fire. So she's like, oh, by the way, I've
This
been
is
using your
crazy.
curling iron. And I think she took it home.
Oh no.
Because I can't find it.
In the shower, what happened? What happened?
I don't. I'm scared.
Let me see.
Are you ready?
Ready. I love it! It looks good! I like it. It's gonna be a little bit hard for you to, like, you know, get used to it. At first, you're gonna be like, it looks so dark!
It does. It looks very dark. But
But you'll get used to it.
yeah. Are you ready?
No. What? What? Hey! You look good.
I feel so weird.
Why?
What do you think?
I think you look really good. I've always liked you with darker hair. It looks good.
Thank you.
You look very beautiful. It looks good.
Thank you. So I am officially It feels so strange, you guys, but I love it. Like, I really love it. It's so crazy because we were in there, and the very first time I ever came to Linda, my hair was like down to here, like past my boobs, brunette, long, and it like literally full circle. Like, I cannot believe that this is me. Oh my god, you guys, like, it looks so good. I think it's definitely an adjustment, but I'm here for it. I love it. This is exactly what I wanted, and Linda always kills it. If you guys are in the San Antonio area, you have got to check her out. I will have her information down below. But yeah, it is just so crazy, you guys. And if you guys want to watch my very first video that I did when I came to see her, like when I did my hair transformation, I will link it at the end. And I think I'm like literally still shook a little bit, but I love it. And yeah, I think I'm gonna close the video here because it's probably gonna be like a long video, but I don't know, I love it. I think it looks amazing. Just gotta grow a little bit more inches and I'll be back to the old me. But hopefully you guys have a good night. Please be safe and stay blessed where you are, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye!
I give in to the lesser fight. My body aches to be satisfied. My weakness comes and goes. My